Hi guys, thank you for joining me. Today I am in a very small village. I think this is probably the smallest village I've been to in the Czech Republic, if this is not the smallest village actually. The name is Kuks. Kuks is in the Baroque region of Czech Republic. It is a very small village, like I mentioned. I mean, the village, I think, is just around here that I'm looking at now. So by the time I take you around, you are going to see for yourself what it looks like. Imagine this. This village has a population of about 300 people. I read some places it's probably 300, 400 or something like that. And it's a very old village with a very, very interesting history. So I'm going to take you around, and I hope you're going to love it. Then I'm going to tell you some things that you need to know about the village, and very fascinating, I promise. So I'm going to take you around and show you the things that are here to be seen. And after that, I hope you are going to enjoy it. So come with me, let's go. As you can see, it's really very few people that you can see here. But sometimes there are usually a lot of people, because today is a Tuesday, I believe. So from here I can show you what it looks like over there. So what you're looking at here is that sometimes they used to organize some events here. So it seems like they're organizing some events for little kids. So when you look around here, you are going to see that this is really in the middle of nowhere almost. Although very far away from here, there is a highway. But here, as you can see, just very quiet, very calm. Nothing much is happening. But when you come here, like in summer, usually I have been here actually once in summer, like years ago. So in summer, there are usually a lot of people all over the place. So, but now it's like almost winter. So, and like I said, today is Tuesday, so it's not a lot of people here. So you cannot understand why. Let's go. So, as the story goes, so the guy who bought this place in the 16th century, around 16 something. So after he developed this area, this very place, used it to help people, for charity work, to heal military people, like I've already mentioned. So later on, he passed away. And when he passed away, his son took over the place. So when his son took over this place, then he kind of continued what his dad did. But when the son passed away, so the people who they left behind did not have the vision to carry on with what was already being done here. So what happened at the time was that the place just practically collapsed because nobody was taking care of the place again. Actually, another important thing is this. The gate you are looking at now, that very gate is a crate where the family of the previous owners of this place are laid to rest. So when you go in there, I haven't been inside myself, but when you go in there, that's where they are. From what I can see, it's like there are like some kind of caskets, for example, designed in a very special way, which are placed somewhere inside there. So those people, that's where they're laid to rest. And there are these statues that you're looking at now. The statues you are looking at, there are about If I'm not mistaken, there are about 24 of them. 12 of them, we are going to go closer and I'm going to show you so that you can see them closer. So 12 of them are virtues, the other 12 are vices. So when you go closer, you will see the virtuous ones. They are happy, they are, they are happy, they are grateful, and all those good things that come with virtuous people. But the vices, they are angry, they are like mischievous and doing all those bad things that you attribute to vices, right? So, and those very sculptures, they were built by a very, very prominent Czech family or Czech artist. He's the one who built those, who did those things. So, not only here, around the village, there are so many places where something like that, like they have something like that, right? So I hope, I don't know if you can still see around the village, if you can still see everywhere. You see how beautiful, how serene it is. So you can imagine when this place was used for, like a spa, a medical facility, it must have been, very healing to have people who were sick, stay here. So let us continue with our journey into towards the building. So let's go. So as you probably can see, this is a very long journey to go all the way from there. You are also looking at the statues that I spoke about earlier. From what I can see, there are probably about 24 of them, like I mentioned. 12 of them virtuous and 12 of them vices. Now, if you remember what I said earlier, So I was thinking that since we won't have the opportunity to go into the museum, I'm going to quickly just show you from here what it looks like inside. Wait, I see. Anyway, let me explain, then I'm going to show you later. So now, these days, this place is used as a museum. Like I said, they used to make medicines here. They grew the herbs here, which they used to make the medicine, the treatment they used to treat people in those days. So what happens is that these days, when you get in here, we are going to see the equipment they used to make these drugs in those days. You are going to see the containers, you are going to see the machinery, you are going to see that this place, they actually started having all these equipment they used to make drugs like very, very long time ago. And I remember when we went there some years ago, sometimes when we went in a story, so sometimes for little kids, they allow little kids to just to demonstrate how they used to make drugs in those days. So that's what they did inside. So what they have here are like samples of what you could see if you get in there. So I'm going to show you what it looks like later. So when you look at these, what you are seeing here now, so this place used to be like the garden, the herbs garden, where they grew the herbs they used to make the medicines. As you can see, there are still some symbolic, I think, stuff that they are growing here these days. But this place used to be the garden. Also, when you look at this place, you can see something similar. You can see things growing there. So this is where they used as a garden where they grew the things they used for medicine in those days. And like I said earlier, you can see from the behind the building how huge this place is really. It's a very big place. So guys, I hope you enjoyed your time. Sometimes for things like this, you just wish you were there in person, because it's a really, really very, very beautiful place to visit. It's like unlike every other place I've been to. Usually you have to go to different places, go to Village Square, go to see the museum and so different things. But here it's like once you come here, you just have only one thing to see, which is this building, and then the things that they have around it. There is nothing else. So it is a very, very relaxing place that is just very good to visit for you know, just for a couple of hours, just taking how serene this very place is and how the environment is. I really enjoyed my time. I hope you enjoyed your time. What you just need to do for me is subscribe to my channel. You are going to see, because I really love to go to different places other than the big city. You know, I love to travel to all these small villages. So for me, I enjoyed it a lot. In case I did not say it earlier, coming here takes like from the main city, Prague, coming here by car is like 90 minutes. If you are coming by train, it's like 2.5 hours, but there is no direct train here. You have to drop off somewhere and change or something like that. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed your time. I hope you saw all the things worth seeing. So it's been my honor to take you around. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.